Keeper Beorn.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning some of the eastern diamondback rattlesnakes that we have here at the zoo.
Cool. And why do we do that?
So we do this every week to make sure these guys have a nice, clean, happy, and healthy habitat to live in. This guy here is one of our males. I'm going to use 2 hooks because these guys are very large and they're very, very heavy-bodied snakes. So having 2 hooks makes sure that they're a little bit more comfortable when I'm handling them. So I'm going to put this guy in this can here so he is nicely safe and secure when I clean his enclosure. And now, you want to come see some eastern diamondback poop. Oh, that is a treasure there. That's what we're looking for.
That's a lot of poop.
What's cool about this is oftentimes with the poop, if you look through it, ooh, right there's one.
It's a hidden gem. You said that is a snake fang?
Yep, that's the fang from this guy. So they will shed their fangs regularly. The fangs will come out through the poop often. And once they shed their fangs, they already have another fang in their mouth hooked up to the venom gland, ready to go.
Wow, that's really cool. And we put these in necklaces that we sell on our online and in-person gift shop.
And when you buy them from the gift shop, they are poop-free.
Poop-free. After you take the poop out, what else do you do?
So I'm going to take out all this bedding around the poop, make sure I get out all the urates, all the good stuff that came from the snake. We're going to get out all that. We're going to empty out the water bowl. We're going to clean that as well to make sure we're keeping down the bacteria in their enclosure. And that way we can also ensure that they have fresh, clean water to drink if they're thirsty. So we'll give that a good way.
Several minutes of cleaning later.
So now that everything's clean there, we're going to take some fresh bedding. This stuff here is just cypress mulch. We put that around the water bowl because it doesn't mold very easy and it's great for holding in humidity for these guys. We'll give them some fresh water.
Stay hydrated, everybody.
It's time to put this guy back in his nice, clean enclosure.